Hi everyone, we hope that you guys are having a great day. Just a quick video today, if you didn't know already, about the edible flowers or florets of the brassica plants such as kale, collards, bok choy, napa cabbage, arugula. When they go to seed, they will produce these flower stalks and buds, and you can harvest these. These are all edible. Even when they bloom, see the yellow flowers, and the flowers are kind of sweet. So you can harvest these if you don't plan on letting these go to seed and form the pods. If you just plan on pulling them out before you plant your spring and summer garden, make sure you harvest these first, and then you can discard the plants or put it in your compost. But these are really delicious. You can put them in salads, pasta dishes, soups, or stir fry. They are even just delicious right off the plants. So don't waste these. If you grew any of these brassica plants, try to let them grow and develop these flowers or flower buds, harvest them, and then eat them. So I hope that you guys found this tip helpful. Thank you so much for joining us, and have a great day, everyone. Happy gardening. Can you say bye?
Yeah, bye.
I think she's sleepy. See you later, guys. So we have a nice basket full of kale and collard green florets or flower buds. And by the way, this is great with scrambled eggs, kind of like how you would prefer spinach with scrambled eggs. Very delicious. Thanks again for watching, everyone.